Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Google Map. So guys, for that, go to your Google Map, then tap on your profile, swipe down and tap on settings. Now swipe down and go to Maps history. Hold a second, and from here you can see your all the locations history. So here tap on the delete option and you can choose your delete options like today or delete all time, also the custom range. So I'm going to delete for today, so I'm selecting this one. Tap on got it and you can see my today locations history are now deleted. So that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.